Hey y'all, this is Dion. I'm back with a quick voiceover video to show you how I made this Hennessy bottle. Okay y'all, as y'all can see, I attempted to take off this label. It didn't work, so I'm gonna go soak this in some alcohol. While that is soaking, I got my glitter, my glue, my brushes, which I got mostly from Michael's. I got this Mod Podge and these little tubes from Amazon. However, I did not have a funnel here, so y'all please don't make fun of me. But I needed to figure out how to get the glue inside the bottle. This little thing is going to come in handy for certain parts of this project, but not all. Let me tell you that now. These brushes, however, if you don't have these, there is no need for you to do this project. They came in handy. So get a towel because it's easier for you to maneuver around. Get your bottle, but keep in mind that the bottle does have a little notch in the back of it. Okay, so now I'm getting my label. I found this image off of Etsy and just paid for it and put it in Word. Once I put it in Word, I literally took a piece of Avery labeling paper, put it in the printer, printed it off. Easy as that. So, as you can see, the bottle has 1765 on it. I didn't want that to show, so I'm just going to cover it up with a label. If you want that to show, your personal preference. Y'all, I'm such a perfectionist. It's ridiculous. So once I finally stuck that down, I grabbed my black glitter because that's the glitter I'm going to be using the most of. So I wanted to go ahead and get the background done first. As you can see, I grabbed my glue that's in a little bottle, and I used various size brushes. I just used, whatever worked for me, and that's the same thing for you. Find what works and just go with it. It looks so good. Now this is 2 layers of black. Now we're going to move to the next color. Two layers of purple and 2 layers of black. Y'all want to kind of wait at least an hour or 2 between each layer. Right here, I grabbed my pink glitter and I put the pink glitter down. I did not like it. Next to the purple, it just kind of looked too much alike to me. So I'm going to hurry up and scrape it off with a box cutter before it dries. Now that that's done, I decided to get red, and I'm very happy I did because y'all, it is looking so much better. As you can see here, it looks so good. This bottle is finally coming along, slowly but surely. Y'all, when I tell you, you have got to have patience if you're going to do this, because you need 2 layers of every color You have to put time in between each layer because you can't just put it right on each other immediately. Y'all, this bottle took a lot out of me, a lot of my time, my patience. It tested me just ridiculously. And to be honest with y'all, I think this bottle took a total of about 12 hours from start to finish. Now we're getting to the good part where it is time to do the remainder of the bottle in just one color. Whew, y'all, I can finally see the light at the end of the tunnel. But it looks so good though. It's just taking so much of my life. And voila! This bottle is so pretty. I really wanted to keep it for myself. But you know, I can't go to a 90s party without a statement. Oh, it is just... Y'all, I'm very proud of my work. I'm not even going to sit here and lie to you. But now I'm going to go ahead and try to seal in the glitter so it's just not getting all over the place. When you seal in the glitter with this spray, do not spray too much. The more you spray, the duller it will become. Yes, my extra self had to go make me a matching shirt for this 90s party. But check it out. Check it out. You see me. You see me. Who understood the assignment? Dion understood the assignment. Hope y'all like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, y'all. Bye.